How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. Today we're going to be looking at a Hex Bar isometric lift. So what that's going to be is we're going to get to the bottom of our lift, and you're going to be locking. You're going to slowly go through all the gears of tension, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until you hit your max. You're going to hold for whatever the prescribed amount of time is. So big things on this is you want to work your way into your maximum contraction. So what we're going to do here is we're going to step into this bar. You're going to put a good amount of weight there, weight that you are unable to lift up. Because what I want you to get good at is being able to bear down and loading up in your weakest position and learning how to activate everything all at once. So from here, I'm going to set my feet, set my hands, get those shoulders back, make sure my rib cage is down. I don't want to round, I don't want to overextend. You're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to lock everything in place and start pushing your feet to the floor. You're 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to hold it for that prescribed amount of time. I'm pushing down as hard as I can to the floor. Then you'll let go and relax. So you'll do usually around 3 reps of that at a different, whatever that prescribed amount of time is. Try it out, let me know how it goes.